is the place. This is the place where you can invest in your apartment block. This is the place where you can invest in a mixed-use development. I am standing inside a 5-acreage land, just 1 kilometer out of Nakuru CBD, along Nakuru Kabarak Highway, just 1 kilometer from Nakuru CBD. So this 5-acreage has been subdivided into 50 by 100 plots, and it is on the market for sale. A plot asking Kenya shillings 10 million or the nearest offer. So for those who have been asking me, Ezra, I'm looking for a place where I can build an apartment block. This is the place. Now, the entire 5-acre land touches Nakuru Kabarak Highway, and then on the other side, it touches the Prison Road. Along Prison Road is where you find some government offices, such as the Kenya Roads Board. Kenha offices are right there as well. Material testing department are right there. Even the construction authority offices are just across this parcel of land. And on the backyard of this acreage, we have the Kabarak University Nakuru City campus. Now, the place is just ideal for mixed-use developments. Now, they subdivided the entire 5 acres into 50 by 100 plots. But if you want even half acre or 1 acre, it is much available. Okay, so from where I sit and from what I've observed in the market is that when you have 50 by 100s, plots of land, and then you get investors of apartment blocks, many a times you end up with this beacon to beacon construction. You end up with apartment blocks, touching each other, wall to wall. There's no room to breathe. So given this place is like the face of London estate, just here on the road, clearly I am only hoping that, dear investors, you will put up some modern designs here. Okay, tuache mambo ya wall to wall jameni, which even makes the place lack room to breathe. Okay, so now this entire place, actually, to put it into perspective, it can fit the Imara Mall. The Imara Mall in Nairobi on Mombasa Road, that entire mall can fit here, and still there is room left. So for maybe 1 or 2 developer or for a group of developers, if you guys take this place, and maybe you do like how many apartment blocks, like 12 of them, and then on the frontage here you can do the commercial side of it. It can turn out to be a wonderful place. So I'm really hoping that the investors that will come here will look at things that way. Or, well, if you look at them differently, well and good, but from where I sit now I'm speaking for myself, just give us something majestic, that when somebody is on the highway there looking the other side, this being the face of London here, at least they'll be wowed by what they see. So yep, there it is, a plot, 10 million Kenya shillings or the nearest offer. Definitely, if you buy in chunks, you're gonna get a massive discount. And yeah, the numbers are on the screen. Call the numbers on the screen for booking and further advancement. Okay, I really love this place. Just strategic, for modern apartments here in London, Nakuru. So mpaka hapo, if you have more questions, drop it in the comments. I will respond. But call the numbers on your screen to buy a parcel of land here. There is even that madam who was telling me they are looking for half acre. This is the place. This is the place. So now, to put it into perspective, a 2-bedroom apartment here, like there's one I'm seeing just opposite Kabarak University there, a 2-bedroom apartment is 35,000 Kenya shillings. Very modern, that one. And a 1-bedroom is 22,000 Kenya shillings. So now do that math. There's another apartment that I featured recently, just outside, the city, kule along Nakuru Nairobi Highway, a 2-bedroom 15,000, and a 1-bedroom at 10,000. Well, definitely if you're going to buy land there and build there, the land will be a lot way cheaper, but inversely as well, the rent thereafter will be quite low. But if you build here, well, I've told you what are the rates here. And obviously if you start building like now, 3 years down the line, you know, depending on the finishes of the apartment, well, you can expect even to fetch up to 40,000 Kenya shillings for a 2-bedroom. You can do them with 2-bedroom with DSQ, exactly. But still, mixed use, commercial development on one end and apartment blocks on one end. That is my view. If you are of a different opinion, also let us know in the comments. But please don't do wall to wall. This place will end up looking like another key village. All right, the next one. Oh, one last thing. Hapana sahau mimi bana. Once you get your parcel of land here and you're starting to build, jameni, make it a point to tell EZRA ONDARA, namna gani EZRA, mimi ni investor pale mali ambapo ulitangaza. I am there, you can also come, unatembelea pale. Hata tunakaa tunakunywa chai bana. You know, don't be like these other guys. Napeleka mtu anaona nyumba, akishaona nyumba ananidanganya ati ananipeleka namna hii namna ile, then nakuja napatana naye baadaye ananiambia sasa naishi hapo. Sasa you make me miss out on commission just because you don't want to be straightforward. Come on guys, don't be like the Pharisees. Si ndio? All right, see you in the next one.